Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the wild, wonderful world of drones. On the left, we've got the ATTOP Drone, your friendly neighborhood sky buddy. And on the right, we have the ATTOP Drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter, basically the James Bond of drones. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. First up, we have the ATTOP Drone with a 2K camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers say it's decent for basic photography and great for beginners. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone boasts a 4K camera, 110 degrees wide-angle, and 90 degrees adjustable magic. Reviewers rave about its stunning image quality and professional-grade footage. So if you're all about those crispy, high-res shots, ATTOP takes the cake here. But hey, ATTOP's 2K isn't exactly a potato either. Let's talk about fun features. The ATTOP Drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can draw a route, talk to it, and even make it do a 360 degrees flip. Reviewers loved these features, especially for kids. Now, ATTOP's not just sitting around either. It's got GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. Reviewers highlight its autonomous capabilities, making it feel like a personal aerial chauffeur. So if you're into bossing around your drone, ATTOP is your guy. But if you want an autonomous flying machine that can practically read your mind, ATTOP's got your back. Now let's talk ease of use. ATTOP is like the drone version of a golden retriever. Super friendly and easy to handle. One-button takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speeds to choose from. Reviewers noted that even kids could master it quickly. On the other hand, ATTOP is like a well-trained ninja. It's got altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and even obstacle avoidance. Reviewers praised its advanced features that make it nearly crash-proof. So whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, both drones have you covered. But if you want that extra layer of "I can't mess this up," ATTOP is the way to go. The age-old question: how long can I play before this thing dies? ATTOP comes with two 3.7 volts, 1100 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Reviewers mentioned that the short battery life can be a letdown, especially for longer play sessions. But wait, ATTOP just swooped in with 2 batteries that offer up to 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers loved the extended flight time, making it great for longer aerial adventures. So if you're planning a long aerial adventure, ATTOP's got the stamina. ATTOP's still great, just maybe bring a snack for those battery swaps. Finally, let's talk portability and price. ATTOP is foldable and comes with a handy carrying case. And at just $99, it's practically a steal. Reviewers found it to be a great budget-friendly option. ATTOP, also foldable and portable, is priced at $179. Reviewers felt the price was justified given its advanced features and high-quality camera. So do you go for the budget-friendly ATTOP or splurge on the feature-packed ATTOP? Decisions. Overall, reviewers find the ATTOP Drone to be a great starter drone, especially for kids and beginners. However, its short battery life and basic features can be limiting. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone is praised for its professional-grade camera, advanced features, and long battery life, making it a favorite among more serious drone enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone versus the ATTOP Drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter. Both are awesome in their own ways, but it all comes down to what you need and how much you're willing to spend. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our epic comparisons. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.